Hi everyone. So today we are going to start data interpretation. Okay, foundation builder 1, the sheet number 1. Okay, so here data interpretation is one of the crucial areas in your examination. So there are different kinds of data interpretation based questions: logical based, mathematical based, arithmetical based, algebra based. All these things are the basis for your questioning in data interpretation. So here first we are going to do the foundation, the basics. Okay, so first and foremostly you should have the basic knowledge what kind of questions are asked. So in data interpretation, one is we extract the information, use it, you'll get the answer, right? Extracting, using mathematically and answering the questions. So the basic things what we have to know is one is percentage, ratio, average. So most of the people think these are sufficient, these are enough. But in fact, these three are the basic things which are required. So in the past days, most of the questions are based on these three only. But nowadays, DI is based on all the areas, not only in quant, but also logical based DI is also asked in the examination. Okay, but here in today's session, we are going to mostly work on three concepts of your fundamentals of DI, which is percentage base, percentage base, percentage base, data interpretation, percentage base, ratio base, and average base. So based on percentages, so what kind of basic knowledge is required? In percentages, what kind of basic knowledge is required? For example, one value is what percentage of another value? One value is what percentage of another value? When a question is in this form, then remember the answer is by of into 100 percentage. So x is what percent of y, means x by y into 100 percentage. This is the first concept. Okay, and second one, one value is how much percent more or less than another value y. If a question is in this form, then the answer would be difference of those two by base value into 100. One number is what percent of other, and second one is one number is how much percentage more or less than the other value. This is difference by base value into 100. Base value means the number with which we are comparing. To blindly remember, after than whatever comes is the base. Next, third point to be remembered is in percentage, the basics, percentage change. Percentage change is nothing but change by initial value into 100. The change can be increase or decrease. If it is increase means you will get percentage increase. If it is decrease means you will get percentage decrease. Okay, so percentage change, and one value is what percent of another value. One value is how much percentage more or less than other value. These are the simple basic things which you need. For example, see, I am giving a simple question here. It's a very simple question. So let me see how many of you could answer. 20 is what percent of 40? 20 is what percent of 40 means it is by of into 100. Means you have got how much? 20 by 40 is 1 by 2 means 50%. Now similarly second question, 50 is how much? 50 is more than 40 by how much percentage? One number is more than the other number by how much percent? Difference by base value 40 into 100. So 1 by 4 means it is 25 percentage. Now third one I am saying example for percentage. In 1999 the population is some 20,000 in a village, and in 2000 year the population is 30,000. Okay, now what is the percentage increase? Percentage increase is equal to, increase here is 10,000 divided by initial value is 20,000 into 100, which is 50%. Percentage increase. So like that, these three are very fundamental basics for your data interpretation. Okay, now next ratio. For example, ratio is simply the comparison. Ratio means what? For example, 1999 the population is 20,000. In 2000 the population 30,000. What is the ratio of this population? Means you can say 2:3. It is such a easy value, easy thing. Next, average. Average is nothing but sum of the observations divided by number of observations. For example, what is the average population of the year 1999 and 2000? So the sum of the observations means the populations in the respective years are 20,000 and 50,000 and 30,000. So sum of the observations divided by 2, which will give you 25,000. So here, these three concepts, one has to be very clear fundamentally. One is percentage, the other is ratio, the other is average. These three, one has to be very clear. Percentage, ratio, average. So I hope now we can step into the questions. So see. So here we have different kind of charts. Bar diagrams, pie charts and tables, as well as line graphs. Different kinds of graphical representations are there to represent the data. So we will get some data in the form of any kind of chart, and we have to do the interpretation from that. Now see here, study the following bar graph and pie chart carefully and answer the questions that follow. Here, if you see here, we have a bar graph. This is bar graph. Here you have multiple bars. The black bar shows males and the white bar shows females. And here what do we have? Here percentage of males and females in 5 organizations. 5 organizations are given. So percentage of employees. So for example, if you take the organization A, B, C, D, E, the organization A has 30% females, 70% males. Organization B has 55% males, 45% females. Like that, number of males and females are given in terms of percentage in each organization. And the pie chart shows this total value, percentage of employees in 5 different organizations. The total number of employees is 35,000 given. In A, you have 18%, in B, you have 22%, in C, you have 31%, in D, you have 15%, in E, you have 14%. Out of 35,000. Now the first question, see the first question here. What is given? Total number of employees of organization C. Total number of employees of organization C is approximately what percentage of total number of employees of organization D? Organization C are how much? 31%. Organization D are 15%. This is what percentage of this? 31 is what percent of this? So we will apply, as I already said, is by of into 100. So 31 is what percentage of 15? So if you apply here, 15 2s are 30. 2 1 by 15. So it is very close to 207%. 207%. So answer is option D. Here the application is by of into 100. One value is approximately, one value is what percentage of the other value. Means is by of into 100. I hope it is clear. We are starting from basics. Okay, now next. What is the total number of males in all the organizations? So A, B, C, D, E. In all the organizations, total number of males. So organization A, you have 18% of 35,000. Organization A, total strength is 18%. In that, how many are males here? 70%. 70% of 18% are males. And in organization B, how many are males? 45%. B is 22%. So 45% of 22% of 35,000 are males. Similarly, organization C, 40%. 40% of 31% are males. D, how many? 60%. 60% of 15%. And similarly, E, how much? E here, 75% are males out of 14%. This of total 35,000. Total 35,000. Okay. Now we have to do simplification. If you do simplification here, see inside you have 100 into 100, 100 into 100. So outside you have 3 zeros, and in the denominator you have 3 zeros for all terms. So I am doing cancellation of 3 zeros in the denominator for all. Thereby what I am going to get here? 0 0 cancel. 18 sevens are how much? 126. Plus now 45 20s are 990. 990 by 10 is 99. Plus 0 0 cancel here. 31 4s are 124. Plus now here you have what? 0 0 cancel. 15 6 are 90. Then here 75 14s are 75 14s are 1050 by 10, which is 105 into 35. So this sum is how much? If you add all these values, 126 plus 99, 225. 225 plus 124, 349. 349 plus 90, 439. 439 plus 105, which is 544. 544 into 35. Into 35. How much you are going to get? 19040. 19040. So answer is option E. Second question, answer is E. Next. Third question. What is the total number of males in organizations A and C together? A and C together, what is the total number of males? So already we have calculated here. Already we have calculated A and C total number of males. If you see here, please see. Please see our second question. Second question, A 126, C 124 into 35. So you will get here 126 plus 124 into 35. This is A, B, C, D, E. Right? 126 into 35 is males in A. 99 into 35 is males in B. 124 into 35 is males in C. Like that in the previous question, we calculated the males in each and every organization. It is asked for only A and C now. So 126 plus 124 into 35, which is nothing but how much here? 250 into 35, which is 8750. 8750. So option C is correct. Next, what is the difference between number of females of organization B and number of females of organization E? In B, females are how much? In B, females are 55%. 55% of B total population is 22%. Okay, and E females are how many? 25%. Of E's total population is 14%. Of 35,000. So what I can do now? Same, 3 zeros cancel. Okay. Now 55 into 22 is 1210. 1210 divided by 10 is 121. Minus 25 into 14, 350. 350 minus 10. 350 by 10, 35. Into 35. So 121 minus 35 is 86. 86 into 35. How much you are going to get? 86 to 35 is 3010. So answer is option D. Option D is the answer. Now next, what is the number of females in organization D? In organization D, females are 40%. So 40% of, in D, total are how much? 31% of 35,000. Okay, so now how much you are going to get? 40%. 40 by 100, 31%. 31% means 31 by 100. Am I correct or not? 31 by 100 and then into 35,000. What is the number of females of organization D? It is 40% of, it is not 31 man, it is 15. It is not 31, it is 15. So 40% of 15% of 35,000. So how much we are going to get now? 3 zeros cancel here. Thereby this zero also cancel. Now 15 fours are 60. 60 into 35, which is 2100. 2100 is the answer, which is not there in the option. So option E, none of the above. So 2100 is the answer. Now next question, please observe. What is the difference between, now you have second data. Based on first data, 5 questions are over. Now please see second data here. Question number 6 to 15. 10 questions are based on this data. And it has 2 pie charts and 1 table given. The pie charts 1, pie chart 1, 2. Pie chart 1 represents graduates and above. This total is given as 24 lakhs. This total is 24 lakhs. And up to 12th standard pass, this total is given as 32 lakhs. This total is 32 lakhs. This total is 24 lakhs. And here, graduates and above, A, 7:5 are male to female. Up to 12th standard, A, 7:9. So if total graduates and above in A state are 12 parts, males are 7 parts, females are 5 parts. It is the understanding. Now please see here what is the difference between graduate male population and 12th standard male population from state A. So if you see here, 12th standard male population of state A, 12th standard male population of state A, total male population of state A who are up to 12th standard pass. If you see this one, and the graduate male population, graduate male means this value in state A. In state A, please see here, in state A, graduate males are 16% of 24 lakhs. 16% of 24 lakhs is the graduates from state A. Out of the males 7 parts, females 5 parts. So total male and female 12 parts is this much, and males are 7 by 12. 7 by 12 of 16% of 24 lakhs is graduate male population. Graduate male population. Similarly, 12th standard male population of state A. State A 12th standard population is 15% of 32 lakhs. In this, male population and female population are 7:9 ratio. So 7 parts are males, 9 parts are females. So 16 parts are this much value. I need male only. 7 by 16. 7 by 16. This minus this. How much is the question? If you see here, 12 2 ja 24. 16 2 ja 32. Now 16% of 2 lakhs. 16% of 2 lakhs is how much? 32. 16% of 2 lakhs is 32,000. 16% of 32 lakhs is 32,000. 32,000 into 7. 32,000 into 7. What is the value you are going to get? It is 7 into how much? 32,000 minus, it is how much? 7 into 15% of 2 lakhs. 15% of 2 lakhs means 30,000. So if I take 7 common, 32,000 minus 30,000, which is 2,000. 7 into 2,000, the answer is 14,000. The answer is 14,000 here. Next, what is the ratio of graduate female population of state E? Graduate female population of state E. State E, female population, graduate and above how much? 7 parts out of 16. 7 parts out of 16. E is how much? 20%. 20% of 24 lakhs. Okay, this is to 12th standard female population of state D. 12th standard female population of state D. So 7 by 12. Total is 12 parts here. 7 by 12 is female. Out of D is how much here? 12 percentage. 12 by 100 into 32 lakhs. What is the ratio of these two? If you see here, now 8 2s are, 8 3s are. Now 0 0 cancel. Now you got 2 5s, 10. Right? Now 7 into 3, 21 by 10. Am I correct? 7 into 3, 2 into 5, 10 is 2. Now here we can do one more thing, one more calculation without doing all these things. See, 7 7 cancel on both sides, 12 12 cancel. Now I will make it more easier for you. Instead of making it complicated calculation, what I am going to do is here, it is 7 by 16. 7 by 16 of 20 percentage of 24 lakhs. 24 lakhs. So please see here, 100 gets cancelled. Both hundreds cancel here. 7 7 gets cancelled. This 12 12 gets cancelled. And now here 8 3s are, here 8 4s are. Here 8 3s are, 8 4s are. Now here what we have, 4 5s are, 4 4s are. So finally here I have 5 into 3, 15 by 4 is to 4. 15 by 4 is to 4 means how much? 15 is to 16. 15 is to 16 is the answer. So answer is 15 is to 16. Now next, graduate female population of state C. Graduate female population of state C means how much? 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 4 by 9th of how much? C is 15 percentage. C is 15 percentage of 24 lakhs. Is what percentage of? This is what percentage of 12th standard female population of same state. 12th standard female population of same state is 5 by 9. 5 by 9th of, here C is how much? 18 percentage of 32 lakhs. This is what percentage of this? Is by of into 100. So how much we are going to get here? If you observe here very clearly, this 100 cancel, this 9 cancel. Now you have here 3 5s, 3 6, 8 3s, 8 4s, 4 cancel. Now 5 cancel, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. 1 by 2 means how much? 50 percentage is the answer. Now next question. Question number 6 to 15. Question number class 12 pass male population. Class 12 male population of state C. Class 12 male population of state C is 4 by 9th. 4 by 9th is what percentage of total 12th standard population? So 4 by 9th of, if you see here, C is how much? C is 18 percentage. C is 18 percentage of 32 lakhs. Is what percentage of total 12th standard population? Total 12th standard population is 32 lakhs. This is what percentage of this? Is by of into 100. Thereby you have got 32 lakhs cancelled here. 9 2s are 18, 100 cancel. So it is 8%. You have got here 8 percentage. Now question number 10. What is the ratio of graduate male population of state E? Graduate male population of state E is 9 by 16. 9 by 16 of 14 percentage of 24 lakhs. Okay, this is to 12th standard female population. 12th standard female population is how much? 10 by 19. 10 by 19 of, in E, 12th standard is how much? 19 percentage of 32 lakhs. So if you do cancellation here, what you are going to get here? 19 cancel, this 100 cancel, 8 3s are, 8 4s are, and next you have got here 2 8s are, yes or no? 2 8s are and 2 7s are, 2 7s are. Now what I have got here finally? 9 7s are. Now any cancellation, anything more? I am not getting anything more here. So 9 into, so what is the value I am going to get here for question number 10 here? 9 7s, anything cancellation is happening or not? Am I correct here or not? What is the ratio of graduate male population of state E? It is 9 by 16th of. It is not, sorry, we did mistake. It is not 14 percentage. It is 20 percentage. It is not 14 percentage, it is 20 percentage. So 20 by 100. So what I am going to get here? 4 4s are, 4 5s are. So 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So finally now again I have to do, because I did some mistakes here in taking the values. So please once again see the things here. What is the ratio of graduate male population of state E? State E is 9 by 16 of, E means 20 percentage. 20 percentage of 24 lakhs is to, this value is as already written here, which is correct. 12th standard female, it is 10 by 19 of 19 percentage of 32 lakhs. So first of all, 8 3s are, 8 4s are. Now this 100 gets cancelled. Then what we have here, if you observe, this 19 gets cancelled, and we have here 4 4s are and 4 5s are, and then 5 1s are, 5 2s are. Now what is the value we are going to have? 9 3s are how much? 27. 9 3s are how much? 27. 27 we have here, 27 by 4 is to 2 into 4 8, which is same as 27 is to 32. So the answer is none of these here. 27 is to 32 is the answer. Now next question, question number 11. Total graduate population of state F. Total graduate population of state F is what percentage of 12th standard population? 12th standard population of state A. So total graduate population of state F means how much? 14 percentage of 24 lakhs. It is what percentage of total 12th standard population of A? It is 15 percentage of 32. So 14% of 24 is what percentage of 15% of 32 means is by half into 100. So here 8 3s are, 8 4s are, 4 25s are, 3 5s are, 5 5s are. So you will get the answer as 14 5s are how much? 70 percentage. So answer is here 70 percentage. So answer is none of these. Answer is none of these. Then question number 12. 12th standard male population of state E. 12th standard male population of state E. 12th standard male population of state E means how much? 9 by 10. 9 by 19. 9 by 19th of 19 percentage of 32 lakhs. is what percentage of 12th standard male population of state F? State F is how much? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of state F, how much we got here? 20 percentage of same 32 lakhs. This is what percent of this is the question. So E is by half into 100. So thereby this gets cancelled. 100 cancel. Now 5 fours are 20, 19 cancel. Now how much you got? 3 ones are 3 threes are. You got 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means how much? 75%. So option B is correct. Now question number 13. What is the ratio of the total graduate and 12th standard male population of state A? Total graduate males of state A is how much? 7 by 12th. 7 by 12th of 16 percentage of how much? 24 lakhs. And 12th standard male population. 12th standard male population of state A is how much? 7 by 16 of 15 percentage of 32 lakhs. This is 2. What else is asked here? Total graduate and 12th standard female population of the same state. Total graduate female is how much? 5 by 12 into 16 percentage of 24 lakhs plus here 9 by 16 female into 15 percentage of 32 lakhs. So how much you are going to get? What is the value you are going to get here? Please simplify and tell me. Here if you see, now what is the value I am going? 7 by 12, 16% of 24 lakhs. 16% of 24 lakhs ka 12 2s are 24. 16 2s are 32. 12 2s are 24. 16 2s are 32. Now how much I am going to get here? 7 into 16 into 2. 7 into 16 into 2 is how much? 112 into 2. 224 by 100, which is you will get if I take 100 common from everything, here I will get 224 plus here I am going to get how much? 15 sevens are 105 into 2, 210. So 210 plus 224. 210 plus 224. 210 plus 224 is how much? I am taking 100 common. I am cancelling 100 throughout because it is the ratio. From this I am taking by 100. From this I am taking by 100. These two hundreds will get cancelled. Now finally what is remaining? 224 plus 210, which is 434. 434 and here 5 16s are 80. 80 into 2 160 and here 9 15s are 135 into 2 270. 270 plus 160 430. 434 is to 4 how much? 430. How much you are going to get? 217 is to 215. 217 is to 215 is the answer. So option C is correct. What is the ratio of the total population of state D to 12th standard population of that state? It is asked about total graduate population. Total graduate population of state D. State D is how much here? 17 percentage of 24 lakhs. And total 12th standard population, it is how much? 12 percentage of 32 lakhs. So 8 3s are 8 4s are. Now 3 1s are 3 4s are. Percentage cancel. So you will get 17 is to 16. So 17 is to 16 is the answer here. 17 is to 16 is the answer. Now next question. Graduate female population of state B. Graduate female population of state B means 3 by 8. 3 by 8 of 18 percentage of 24 lakhs is what percentage of graduate female population of state E? Graduate female population of state E is how much? 7 by 16. 7 by 16 of E is 20 percentage of 24 lakhs. So now this is what percentage of this is the question. So simply 24 lakhs is common for both, and here by 100 is cancelled. Now if you see what you are going to get, 3 into 18 into this 16 goes to top, divided by 8 into 7 into 20 into 100. So simply simplification you do, you will get the answer. What is the answer we are going to get here? If you simplify, 25 is a 100. Next, it is 4 2s are 8 1s are 8 2s are. Now what is remaining here? 7. So 2 5s are 10. 18 3s are 54. 54 into 10. 540 divided by 7. 540 divided by 7 means it is approximately equal to 77 point something. So answer is 77 percentage. Now we have one more graph here. So next graph. This graph, what does it indicate? Number of candidates appear in thousands. Number of candidates appear in thousands and percentage of candidates qualified. This is in terms of percentage. 5%, 10% like that. It is in thousands. Okay. And number of appeared candidates in thousands and percentage of candidates qualified in a competitive exam over the years. What does it mean? If I take the year 2007, here you have 5, means 5,000 students appeared. Okay, out of them how many qualified? 32.5 percentage. 32.5 percentage out of 5,000 have been qualified. It is the meaning. Now see here, question number 16. What is given? What is the ratio between number of candidates appeared in 2007? Number of candidates appeared in 2007 is 5,000. Is to number of candidates qualified in 2014. In 2014, total number of people appear is 35,000. Out of them, qualified are how much? 40%. 40% of 35,000 are qualified. So ratio between these two. So if you see here, it is 5,000 and 40% of 35,000 is 14,000. So 3 zeros cancel. So 5 is to 14 is the answer. Next. In which of the following years was the number of candidates qualified the lowest among the given years? In 2007, it is how much? 32%, 32.5 percentage of 5,000. 32.5 percentage of 5,000. What is the value here? 1625. In 2011, see, if you observe here, in 2011 it is how much? The total number of candidates appear is 27,500. Out of them, how many have been qualified? In 2011, it is given here 35%. 35%. Definitely it is more than this. So it is not the answer. It is asking for least. 35% of 27,500 is more than 1625. So it is not the answer. 2010 appeared are 17,500. Appeared are 17,500 and out of them in 2010 qualified are 30%. So 10% of 17,500 itself is 1750. So definitely 1625 is less than this. So this is not the answer. In 2008 if you see, appeared are 10,000. Out of them qualified are 37.5. So it is 37.5% of 10,000, which is 3750. So it is also not the least. So it is not the answer. In 2014, if you see, total appeared are 35,000. Out of them, qualified are 40%. So 40% of 35,000 is also more than 1625. So the least, the lowest is which one? 1625. So answer is 2007. Next. What was the percentage drop in the number of candidates appeared from the year 12 to 13? 2012, number of candidates appeared is 30,000. And in 2013, it has been dropped to 20,000. So percentage decrease is nothing but change in the value 10,000 by initial value 30,000 into 100. Change by initial into 100 is the percentage change which I already told. Percentage drop, percentage decrease, change by initial value into 100, 1/3. 1/3 means how much? 33.33%. 33.33%. Now next question. How many candidates qualified? How many candidates qualified in the year 2012? Total appeared are 30,000. Out of them, in 2012, qualified are 22.5 percentage. 22.5 percentage of 30,000 is 6,750. So answer is 6750, option A. Next, number of candidates qualified in 2009 was what percentage of the number of candidates appeared in 2008? Number of candidates qualified in 2009. Total appeared are 22,500. Out of them in 2009 qualified are 30%. Okay, qualified in 2009 is what percentage of number of candidates appeared in 2008? In 2008, number of candidates appeared is 10,000. This is what percent of this? Means into 100, is by half into 100. So what will you get now? Here percentage is there. So two zeros cancel. Now here two zeros will get cancelled. Now 225 into 30 will give you, so how much? 6750 divided by 100. So which is 67.5. So answer is 67.5 percentage. Now question number 21 to 25 are based on one more graph. Please see here 21 to 25. Here we have a pie chart. The pie chart is given in terms of degrees here, and there is a respective ratio of men to women in each department. This total number of employees is 3250. So here this total in a pie chart is taken to be 100%, which is 360 degrees, which is the total value how much? 3250. 100 percentage is 360 degrees in terms of percentage, and in terms of value, total value is how much? 3250. Now what is the number of men working in the marketing department? So here the ratio of number of men to women is given 4:1, like that. Different departments: production, HR, IT, marketing, accounts. So here please understand this. Number of men working in the marketing department. Marketing department consists of total how many employees? Means 79.2 degrees. 79.2 degrees out of 360. Out of 360 in 3250 is marketing employees. And in this, males and females are in the ratio 3:2. It is asked for men. Men means 3/5. 3/5. Okay, 3/5 of this is how much? If you do calculation, see 0 cancel. Now 65 times. Okay, now 36 2s are 72. 7.2 means 2.2. Now 65 into 2.2 is 143. 143 into 3 is 429. So answer is 429. 429 is the answer, which is the none of this. Now next, what is the respective ratio of number of women working in the HR department? Women HR, how much? 13 out of 25. 13 out of 25. Total HR, how much? 36 degrees. 36 degrees. Okay. What is the respective ratio of number of women working in the HR department to number of men working in the IT department? In the IT department, number of men, how much? 7. So 7 by 10 out of IT total, how much? 57.6. 57.6. Now, if you simplify this, how much you are going to get? How much you are going to get? Please simplify. Here is 5 2ja. It is 5 5ja. Okay. Now, again, I am trying to simplify here. It is 36 1ja, 36 1.6ja, 1.6ja. Now I have got here 13 by 5 is to 7 into 16 is 11.2 by 2. So I am taking the LCM. I am taking the LCM of 5 into 10. I am multiplying each with 10. So I will get how much I am going to get if I multiply this with 10 and this with 10. So 5 2ja, 2 5ja. So I am going to get 13 2ja, how much? 60, 13 2ja, 26. 11.2 into 5, it is 56. So finally it is 13 is to 28. 13 is to 28 is the answer. Next, number of men working in the production department of the organization. Men working in the production. Men working in the production is how much? 4/5. 4/5 of production total is 136.8. Forms what percentage of the total number of employees working in the department? Total number of employees working in the department is how much? 136.8. So this is what percentage of this? So if you see here, this gets cancelled. 4 by 5 means 80 percentage. So answer is 80 percentage. So it is none of this. So answer is none of this. 80 percentage is the answer. Next. Please observe here. Number of women working in the IT department of the organizations forms what percentage of the number of employees in the organization of all the departments together? All departments together. Number of women working in the IT department. Number of women working in the IT department is how much? 3 by 10. IT is 57.6. Forms what percentage of the total number of employees in the organization from all departments together. From all departments together, it is how much? 360 degrees. Okay. So this 3 by 10 of 57.6 is what percent of this? So if you simplify this, you will get 0, 0 cancel. 36 into 1.6. So 3 into 1.00 again cancel here. 3 into 1.6 is 4.8%. 4.8%. Next. What is the total number of men working in the organization? Total number of men working in the organization. Simply you need to answer. So there are different departments which are given here. Accounts. So in each and every department, for example, first one accounts. Accounts is how much? Men. 6 by 13. 6 by 13 into 50.4 divided by 360 into 3250. How much you are going to get here? If you simplify, 0, 0 cancel. Now you will get here 13, how many times? 13, 25 times. Now 36 1 36, 1.4 you are going to get. 25 into 1.4 is 35. 35 into 6 is 210. So accounts is 210. Similarly for marketing it is how much? For marketing, number of mails are 3 by 5. 3/5 of 79.2. 79.2 out of 360. That is the how much you are going to get. Just now we already calculated this. It has 429. And IT how much? IT mails 7 by 10 of IT total is 57.6 out of 360. So how much value you are going to get? Simplify this. 0, 0 cancel. So 36 how many times? 1.6 times. So now how much you are going to get? 325 means here 32.5 into 7 into 1.6. You are going to get 364 here for IT mails. Similarly for HR. HR is how much? 12 by 25. 12 by 25 of 36 degrees by 360 into 325. 3250. It is 10 times. 0, 0 cancel. Now 25 13 times. So it is 156 you are going to get. Finally production. So production how much is there in total? Production total is 136.8 and out of that mails are 4 by 5. 136.8 divided by 360 into 3250. How much you are going to get it? So if you see here 0, 0 cancel. 36 3s are 108. So it is 3.8. So now 5 65s are 65 into 4 260. 260 into 3.8. 260 into 3.8 is how much? 988. If I add all these things, how much I am going to get? 8 plus 6, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 9, 27. So ending with 7. Ending with 7, you have only one option, that is 2147. 2147 is the answer. Now next. 26 to 30. You have one more data given. Okay. So what is given here? See here, you have day 1. Day 1, it is white bar. Day 2 is black bar. Time taken to travel in hours by 6 different vehicles on 2 days. So there are vehicles A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F are 6 different vehicles. In day 1 and day 2, they are taking different times. Day 1 and day 2. Okay. So here time taken to travel is given and distances covered is given on each day. So what does it mean? On day 1, A covers 832 kilometers. 832 kilometers in 16 hours. So what is the speed of vehicle A? Vehicle A, it is 832 by 16, which is 832 by 16. How much you are going to get here? 52. Similarly, on second day, day 2, 864 in the same 16. So it is going to be 54 kilometer per hour. So these are all speeds of the vehicles in days. Speeds of the vehicles in different days. I am now calculating. Speed means what? Distance by time. Now similarly for B, first day 774, first day how much? 516. First day 516 kilometers. In how much time it is given? 12 hours. So 516 by 12 is nothing but 43 kilometers per hour. Similarly, second day 774 by 18, which is 774 by 18, which is 43 kilometer per hour. So for B, both are same. For C, if you see here, it is 693. It is 693 by 11, which is 63, the speed. Similarly, second day C would be, the distance covered is 810. 810 and the time given is 18, which is the how much? 45. What about D? D, first day the distance covered is 552 and time taken by D on first day is 12. So 550 by 12 is 46. And what about D second day? 765 in 15 hours. So it is 51 kilometer per hour. What about E on first day? 935. Speed is 17. So 935 by 17 is 55. Similarly, E on second day, 546 divided by its speed on E on second day, its speed is 14. 546 by 14 is how much? 39. So similarly, finally for F first day 703, the speed is 19, so it is 37. Similarly, F second day, the distance is 636 and time taken is 10. Time taken is 12, so it is 53 kilometer per hour. So we have calculated now A, B, C, D, E, F speeds on day 1 and day 2. Now, which of the following vehicles travels at the same speed on both the days? On both the days, day 1, day 2, same speed is there, 43 here for vehicle B. So, answer is vehicle B. Now, next. What is the difference between the speed of vehicle on day 1 and speed of vehicle C and on same day? So, day 1 vehicle A and C. Day 1 vehicle A and C, 52 and 63. What is difference? 63 minus 52. The difference is 11 here. So answer is none of these. Answer is none of these. Next. What was the speed of the vehicle C on day 2? Already we calculated everything here. C on day 2 is how much? 45. 45 kilometer per hour. So 45. Vehicle C on day 2 is how much? 45 kilometer per hour. 45 kilometer per hour. We have to find out in meter per second. For that we have to multiply with 5 by 18. 9 2s are 9 5s are. 5 5s are how much? 25 by 2, which is 12.5 meters per second. So answer is none of these. Next. The distance traveled by vehicle F on day 2. The distance traveled by vehicle F on day 2 is 636. Approximately what percentage of distance traveled by it on day 1? 703. 636 is what percentage of 703? If you see 700, 630, it is very approximately 90%. So answer is 90%. Next. What is the ratio of the speeds of vehicle D and vehicle E on day 2? D and E on day 2. Please see here. D and E on day 2. D is 51, E is 39 on day 2. So 51 is to 39. 51 is to 39. So 3 17s are 3 13s are, so answer is 17 is to 13. This is 26 to 30. We have done. Now 31 to 35. Next 5 set of questions. Please see here. What is given? One pie chart, one table. The pie chart, what is it representing? Percentage by distribution of the number of mobile phones sold by shopkeeper during 6 months, July to December. Okay. This total is 45,000 and it is sold, what is given here, the ratio between the number of mobile phones sold by company A and B. Company A sold 8 parts, company B sold 7 parts in July, total 15 parts is this 17% of 45,000. Now the question is, what is the ratio of the number of mobile phones sold of company B during July. During July to those sold of December of the same company. So for company B only, B only, July and December, July and December. How much it is? 7 by 15. 7 by 15. 7 by 15 of B is how much? 22% of this. And here also the 7 by 15 of July is 17 percentage. 17 percentage. And what about December? And December it is December B. How much? 9 by 16 of 16 percentage. Yes or no? Now please see here, 16, 16 cancel. Now 7, 17 ja how much? 119. Percentage also cancel. 119 is to 15 9s are how much? 135. 119 is to 135 is the answer. That is option C. Option C is correct. Now next. If 35% of the mobile phones sold by company A during November were sold at a discount, how many mobile phones of company A during that month were sold without discount? If 35% are sold with discount, remaining 65% are sold without discount. So here company A during November, how much? It is 7 by 15. 7 by 15 of November is 12% of 45,000. Okay, so 65% of 7 by 15 of 12 by 100 of 45,000. What is the value we are going to get? If you simplify here, two zeros cancel. 13 5 5 13s are 5 20s are. Now 5 4 5s are 4 3s are 5 9s are, and then 3 5s are you are going to get, and then 5 in. Now how much you are going to get? 5 into 1.4. So now 49s are 126. 12.6. 12.6 into 13. 120. I think it is I've done a mistake. Some mistake in the calculation is there. Once again, please see. 65% is 45,000. I did 4,500, I believe. So let me once again do 65% of 7 by 15 of 12% of 45,000. So here 3 zeros cancel. Now here you have 15. 3 4s are 3 5s are. Now here it is 5 13s are 5 2s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now 5 9s are. Now denominator we don't have. Now 2 9s are 18. 18 7s are 126. 126 13s are. Answer must end with 8. 1638. 1638 is the answer. So answer is option C. Option C is answer. 32nd question. Now 33. If the shopkeeper earned a profit of 433 on each mobile phone sold by company B during the month of October, what was his total profit earned on the mobile phones of the company during the same month? For each mobile sold, there is a profit of 433. So total how many mobiles are sold in the month of October? In the month of October by B. October by B is how much? 5 by 12. 5 by 12. It is 8% of 45,000. 8% of 45,000. So if you simplify this, 2 zeros cancel. 4 2s are 4 3s are. It is 3 150s are. Now what I am going to get here, 5 2s are 10, 10 into one more 0. So 10, 100, 15 into 433. The answer must end with 5 as non-zero digit. The only digit with non-zero digit 5 is 6495. The answer ends with two zeros. As I told, it's a multiple of 100. So because here I have 10, here is one more 10. 10 into 10, 100 means you'll get two zeros. And the non-zero digit is 5. That's why directly I could say 649500. Next, the number of mobile phones sold by company A during July. Number of mobile phones sold by company A during July is approximately what percentage of the July? It is how much? 8 by 15. 8 by 15 of 17 percentage is approximately what percentage of the number of mobile phones sold by company A during December? So during December it is how much? During December it is 7 by 16. 7 by 16 of total December is 16 percentage. Okay, this is what percentage of this is the question. 8 by 15, July 8 by 15 out of 17 percentage is what percentage of 7 by 16 out of 16. If you see here, 16 gets cancelled. Okay, percentage also gets cancelled here. Now what is remaining for me? 8 sevens are 126. 126 by 15. 126 by 15. If you simplify this, how much you are going to get? Please simplify here. You are going to get 126. 17 eggs are how much? 136, man. It is 136. 8 17 are how much? 136. Divided by 15 into 100. So how much you are going to get? How much you are going to get here? Am I correct or not? 8 by 15. Company A during July. 8 by 15 out of 17 percentage. And December company A 7 by 16 out of 16 percentage. What is the answer here? 34th question. So it is 15 how many times? 59 times. But I am not getting the option by here. How much it is? 8 by 15 only. A and B how much? 8 by 15 only. 8 by 15 of 17 percentage is what percentage of? Is approximately what percentage of number of mobile phones? Once again please see here. Did I make any error here? Any mistake? Once please check. Number of mobile phones sold by company A during July. It is how much? 8 by 15 of 17 percentage. Okay. Next one is, it is how much? 7 by 16. 7 by 16 of 16 percentage. So this is what percentage is asked. Okay. Finally, if you simplify this, how much you are going to get? The total value I am not taking, because here also 45,000, here also 45,000. The values will get cancelled. So if I simplify this, what I am going to get? See, 8 into 17 into 16 divided by 15 into 16 into 7. So same thing I am going to get, man. I think 16 cancel. Now this is the thing, I did mistake. Okay, 15 sevens has to come. So 8 sevens are how much? 136 divided by 105 into 100. So how much it is? It is approximately 129 point something, which is approximately 130%. Now, what is the total number of mobile phones sold by company B during August and September together? During August, it is how much? August per B is 5 by 9th of 25%. 5 by 9th of, sorry, 5 by 9th of 22%. 22% of 45,000. Okay, in August. And in September, it is how much? In September, it is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of 25% of 45,000. If you see, simplify these two, 22% of 45,000 is 9,900. So 5 into 1100, you will get 5,500 here. And here, 5 5s are 25. 5% of 45,000 is 2250. 2 into 2250 is 4,500. So summation of these two would be 10,000. So answer is 10,000 here. Now 36 to 40. 36 to 40. What is the so here we have a pie chart in terms of percentage, and this total value is given as 700. Pie chart showing the percentage distribution wise cars in 4 different states: state 1, state 2, state 3, state 4. And table shows the ratio between diesel and petrol engine cars which are distributed among 4 different states. So this 100% is 700. So 1% is 7. 14% is 14 into 7, 98. 28 into 7, 196. 32 into 7, 224. 26 into 7, 182. Now, diesel and petrol engine cars 3 to 4. 7 parts is 98, 1 part 14. So 3 parts 42, 4 parts 56. 4 parts 56. Now, 14 parts 196, each part 14, 5 parts 70, 9 parts 9, 14s are 126. Now, 8 parts 224. Each part 28, 5 parts 528, 140, 328, 84. Now here 182 means 91. This is the overall segregation we have done. Now what is the difference between number of diesel engine cars in state 2 and number of petrol engine cars in state 4? State 2 State 2 diesel engine cars 90, state 4 petrol engine cars 91. So the difference 91 minus 70 is how much? 21. So answer is 21. Now next, number of petrol engine cars in state 3. Number of petrol engine cars in state 3 is how much? It is 84. 84 is what percentage more than number of diesel engine cars in state 1? State 1 diesel engine cars are 42. 84 is more than 42 by how much percentage? So one value is more than the other value by how much percentage? Difference by base value 42 into 100. 42 by 42 means it is 100 percentage. So answer is option A. Next, if 25% of the diesel engine cars in state 3 are AC, okay, so 25% of the state 3, see here, diesel engine cars total are, I already calculated as 140. Out of 140, 25% are AC, remaining are non-AC. What is the number of diesel engine cars in state 3 which are non-AC? If 25% are AC, remaining 75% of 140 are non-AC. So 3/4 of 140, which is 105. 105 cars are non-AC which are of diesel engine in state 3. What is the difference between total number of cars in state 3? State 3, 32 7s are 224, and number of petrol engine cars in state 2. So here petrol engine cars is how much? 914s are 126. So 224 minus 126. which is 98. Difference is 98. Next, what is the average number of petrol engine cars in all states together? We already calculated the number of petrol engine cars. All this sum. See here, I am taking the sum. I am taking the sum of all the petrol engine cars. So 56 plus 84, 140. 140 plus 120, 260. 260 plus 90, 350. 350 plus 7, 357. 357 is the total number of 357 is the total number of petrol engine cars divided by 4, because average means sum of the observations divided by number of observations. If you add all the petrol engine cars number, it is 357. And 4 states, 357 by 4. How much it is? 4, 89s are 356.25. 89.25. So answer is option B. Hope everything is clear to all of you. So see here we have done the first sheet on data interpretation. This sheet on data interpretation gives you the idea, the knowledge, how to deal with the questions if they are in terms of percentage, ratio and average. Okay, in my next sheet I will come up with one more foundation sheet only, not high level difficulty questions. These kind of basic foundation sheet only I will bring one more, and we will solve that sheet. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we will connect in our next video. Thank you so much.